Okay, so ignore the fact that I'm not really energetic right now and that the audio's bad. Let's see if I can focus this. The only thing, there are like 3 things that are mine. This right here, this right here, that, and that. Everything else is redone. I'm going to show you. It costs $420 to rebuild this. This, which is that, costs $160. Because they don't make these anymore. Any parts. This had to be custom made. So you got this, and then all the stuff in here. That all had to be redone. So now, that is getting a new oil seal put in. So, yeah. So now, this is my room currently. It's an absolute train wreck. You can see it's a little that is because we are in the midst of redoing. GoPro's charging. A big box is here. Let's see what it is. Let's cut this thing open. Oh boy. That's styrofoam. Everything out. No idea where it left off. It's done. Moments later, everything is clean. That's all that. You can see there. That's a wood screw. And I got them going all around keeping these in. So yeah. You know, I'm starting to get used to autofocusing by myself.